So because she requested, I have to recreate this style again, but this time around, I want it to be open. You fold your gele into two, and then you tie it. You see, you once you fold it into two, you tie the two together like this. You tie it very well. Then you flip it backward, like what I've done. Yes, you take it back like this. You adjust it. You now start making your pleats. All right, this is how it's supposed to be. Very neat. Now you start making your plates. Okay, you pick, you adjust it. So, okay, you drag it from the back. All right, just drag it from the back to the front. You adjust. Drag it from the back to the front. You adjust. If you are okay with three plates, it's fine. If you are okay with four, it's still fine. But I think I did like four plates on this one. But okay, I did three. You now start making your crown. You see, this is it. You put your hand inside, you bring it together, bring it to like this. Exactly what I'm doing. Make sure you arrange it, make sure you follow the lines. I'll show you one mistake I made, but I intentionally did it so that you will see. Now, so you adjust it to this other side, the right hand side, so you adjust it. It's not hard. Gele, it's very, very simple. Provided you follow this kind of step, you'll be able to tie it. So behind is for you to just arrange it. You know, this one now is very thick. So you have to use enough pins for it. But if you know how to tie it, mine I think I used just three pins. So, yeah, it was just three pins I used. So, but it was a bigger pin I used. You can still use a smaller one. It's still cool. So you just secure it very well. This is the first one, and now this is the my second pin, and the last one. Now this is the last pin I use. So for those that have long hair, you can just pour it. You understand? And those that doesn't have long hair, if you want it open like this, you can still leave it like this. Now see the mistake I said I made. I did follow the line. See the difference. I don't know if you can see the difference, the mistake I made rather. So now I'm not trying to adjust it. You see, I have to pull it, that line, I have to bring it out and arrange it very neatly. So if you don't follow the line, it will be a kind of scattered. But if you know your way around it, then you are good to go. So this is the final look. Will you be trying this? Don't forget to save this video